Thank you so much for coming and checking out our website. I'm going to begin by asking you a really stupid question. Forgive me, but it begs the asking. If you approached 10 business owners and told them you can get a loan for them, help them get a loan with no personal guarantees, no assets for collateral, it's 100% free to apply. Listen, it costs absolutely nothing. No credit check, so it won't show up on their credit report if they're declined, which means they can apply just to find out how much money they can get. So there's no risk to them. If you approach 10 business owners and ask them this, how many do you think would say no to that, right? Exactly, especially in today's economy. Hi, my name is Sarkis, and listen, it's an absolute pleasure to meet you. I'm a former employee of Dun & Bradstreet, and those of you that don't know who Dun & Bradstreet is, we manage the credit report for businesses. You know how there's credit agencies that report monitor your personal credit reports. Well, Dun & Bradstreet manages the credit report for business owners. And I worked with business owners, thousands of business owners, with as few as one employee all the way up to 500 employees. And the common theme between all these business owners, the thousands and upon thousands that I used to work with, is that 98% of them got declined for a loan. They were not approved for a loan from a bank or a credit union, but they went out and got a loan anyway from elsewhere, and I could see how and why, but I was not allowed to share that information because I was employed with them. But right now, because I no longer work for them, I am going to share with you the insider secret of how you can help the business owner get up to $250,000 right now. I'm going to show you where these business owners go to get the loans they need, and I'm going to show you how you will get paid on average $500 or more, doing absolutely nothing more than sending the business owner over to you're going to give them a link, and you're going to send them to a free credit application page where it doesn't ask them for social security number, driver's license, or anything like that. None of that information. And the best part, the business owners can apply right now without spending a single penny. That's right, it's 100% free. Now, if you notice, there's no pictures of boats, houses, cars, and people standing in front of mansions or anything like that. Listen, we don't have to hype this up because you know how the economy is. You know how what the situation of business owners are here in the United States, and if you don't, you are watching the wrong video and you're in the wrong line of business. But if you know what the situation is like, and you probably do, then you know we don't have to hype it up because we have a 95% approval rate. That means if you send 100 business owners over to us in a month, at least 95 of them are going to be qualified for the loan. But there are over 30 million business owners right now that don't know we exist. They have no idea that they can get up to $250,000 right now simply by filling out a 100% free credit application without any personal information. And the only person standing between them and the loan application, them knowing that that loan application exists, that page exists, that one page where they can apply for free with no personal information to get up to $250,000, listen, it's you, nobody else. What does this mean to you? Well, let's do some simple basic arithmetics here. You get paid, we pay you 1.5% commission for every dollar that's loaned out. Why can we do that? Well, because we're not brokers, we're direct lenders. So you are talking directly to the lender here. You're not dealing with any middlemen. 95% of the qualified applicants will get on average about $100,000. 10 business owners a month. If you just sent 10 business owners a month, okay, listen, I'm not telling you to bust your chops and try to get 10 business owners in. I have agents right now that send in 10 business owners every hour. I have agents that bring in 10 business owners every minute. In fact, there's no agent I have currently that sends in less than 100 in a month. But you know how easy it is, right? I mean, you just tell the business owner we exist. Who's going to say no? So if you let 10 business owners know, 10 of them are coming to the site, right? So But let's just assume here for a second that your days are completely, your days are like mine, where it's crazy. You have children, you have family, you have a full-time job, maybe life gets in the way. You have a lot of things to do. You just don't have much time. Maybe you have 10 minutes a day. That's fine. Let's just say you only bring in 10 business owners in a month, which means if each of them get $100,000, it means we issued $1 million total in loans. 1.5% commission of $1 million, okay, is $15,000 in commissions that you just earned in a month, sending only 10 business owners in a month. Now, if you think you can send in more, you do the math. Listen, that is why we need you. Now, instead of spending hundreds of thousands of dollars in advertising, which you know very well we could, it's better for us to pay you from the loans that are issued, because first of all, it benefits us because we don't have to pay anything out of pocket until we issue out the loan. That's number one. It benefits us because by you approaching a business owner, it is a much better form of advertising and promotion than us getting a one-page ad in a newspaper. Okay, it's much more effective, and it's that one-on-one relationship we want to build with the business owner through you. Okay, you never have to talk to the business owner unless you want to. We give you emails. All you do is you just send an email to a business owner. Hey, look, here's the facts. Doesn't cost you anything. It's just an application page. Take a look at it. If you're interested, apply. If you just want to find out how much you can get, just apply. And of course, they're going to do it, right? Now, with 95% approvals of qualified businesses, we pay you, like I said, 1.5% commission of every dollar we loan out now or in the future. What that means is, if they come in and apply for a loan today and they get declined and they come back a year later, you get paid. They're tagged under you forever because we give you a special hyperlink. And the nice thing is, let's say they get the loan today and they come back in 6 months and get another loan. In 6 months, suddenly you're going to find out you just got paid again. And guess what? 4 or 5 years, 10 years down the road, let's say they start another business or they start another branch. They need funding for that. Like a dentist would have one office and would open a second office, right? Well, if they do that, it doesn't matter if the business is related, not related. Doesn't matter. If they apply for a loan with another company, you still get paid 1.5%. So what am I saying here? What I'm saying is, you just have to let the business owner know once that we exist. That's it. The rest doesn't matter. They'll keep coming back and applying and applying and applying. You just have to let them know we exist once. You never have to contact them again. Okay? And the nice thing is, because we're dependent on you, we don't make money unless you do. Now listen, I don't want to saturate the marketplace, because even though there's 30 million business owners, I don't want 30 million people doing this, right? I want to make sure that the group of us that are doing this, we're the ones that own the marketplace. So obviously this is something that you can do part-time without ever leaving your home, or you can do it from a coffee shop. This is it's because of the benefits, where you really don't need anything other than a computer and high-speed internet to be able to fully implement this automated money-making machine. But we don't want to saturate the market, so we are leaving this offer open until we have enough people signed up, and then it's gonna close forever. So if you are joining in and you're watching this at the tail end where we've had this open for a while, I would strongly suggest, if it's still open at the bottom where it says get access, click on it, join, and then consider whether or not this is something you want to do. Now, by joining, we will give you full access, full training with copies of emails. So you don't have to create emails. You don't have to think about how to contact business owners. We give you the tools. We teach you. There's complete video training. We give you all the tools you need, everything, and we allow you backend access to monitor the progress of each applicant. So you know if they've been approved, declined, if it's pending, what's going on, if they came back to apply for. You know exactly what's going on because you have full control on the backend. You can see everything that's going on. Thank you so much for watching, and listen, we look forward to seeing you on the inside.